Yes, pero ako kasi ang concern ko for you, Kong Kiko, lahat ng mga ibabato mo, ibabalik sa family mo. Lahat ng binabato mo, babalik sa family mo.
I mean, that's fine.
Then you admit that your family.
If I'm
your
corrupt, then I deserve to be in prison as well. I'm going down with everyone else in the
Sabi mo kay Jessica Soho, tinanong ka ni Jessica Soho, malinis ka ba, Kong Kiko? Ang sabi mo, wala pa akong kaso. Hindi, sabi mo wala pa akong kaso. A true innocent person would have said, yes, malinis ako. Ako, tanong mo ko, Attorney Clint, sa barangay, malinis ba ako? Yes, wala kaming SOP doon.
Yes, but like everyone you ask, kung tatanungin mo si
So
Martin
malinis
Romualdez,
ka ba? No, malinis ka ba?
Si Martin Romualdez kung malinis siya, anong sasabihin niya? Yes, but we all know he's not clean.
No, but your
We all
answer is
know
different.
he's corrupt.
But your answer is different eh. Kay Jessica Soho, you didn't deny. You didn't say malinis ka. I'm asking you again now, malinis ka ba?
We will see.
Nung councilor ka? Nung bukal ka? At ngayong congressman ka, malinis ka ba?
We will see regarding that because clean and perfectly legal are both completely separate things. There are people who can act within the bounds of the law that can also be at the same time corrupt. And there are people who are good.
So you mean, you accept money but legally, parang Marcoleta?
I'm not saying that.
No, sinasabi mo hindi ka nagnakaw. Nagnakaw ka, yes or no?
If we look at
Magnanakaw ka, yes or no?
if we look at South Africa in the apartheid regime that Nelson Mandela was against, he was imprisoned for 27 years regarding that, right? So
It's a simple
from that
question for me.
perspective-
May SOP ka ba? Or nagnakaw ka nung councilor ka ng DASMA?
From that perspective,
Ngayon congressman ka, magnanakaw ka o hindi?
from that perspective, the law can be applied to good people where they can be guilty even though they are innocent. And at the same aspect, innocent people can be guilty people can be claimed as innocent. Like for example, Martin Romualdez, he was responsible for the flood control issues, yet there is no case
That's a
against him.
complicated answer for a very simple question. Naging magnanakaw ka ba ever?
Asking someone whether or not they have stolen is not a simple question because stealing and theft in politics is already a very
It's
complicated
a simple
aspect.
question. Tanong mo ako, Tito Mon, may ninakaw ba ako sa barangay na funds?
Wala ka naman mananakaw sa kagawad eh.
Hindi! May SOP! May extortion sa iba! Sa ibang barangay may SOP!
Attorney Palisis, may contractor ba sa...
May kapitan tractor!
May kapitan tractor ba sa laging handa?
Hindi sa laging handa. Sa buong QC meron. Tsaka yung pagpipirma ka, I'll tell you this ha, kasi ako I have experience in the barangay. To sign a barangay resolution exempting from the zoning ordinances, may SOP yan. Sa ibang barangay. Sa amin wala.
Magkano ang SOP sa ibang barangay?
Depends on the project. Kung kondo ang itatayo mo, on the rest of
Can range from what amount to what amount?
50,000, 100,000, 1 million.
Wow.
Yes. So, ang tanong ko yun,
May tanong si...
Comment, hello sir ma'am.